Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful 2020, that is correct, 2020 Toyota Tacoma double cab with the TRD off-road package. Beautiful color. It's called Midnight Black. It's got a pearl to it. Very nice. Does have the towing package, backup camera. Got a nice rugged bed. You've got a 400 watt 110 outlet inverter. Got some tie downs. It's got a nice factory install 3-inch lift kit with some 33-inch tires, some custom wheels. Nice setup. Got some nice running boards, tinted windows, vent shades, luggage rack. It's got automatic headlights, fog lights, skid plates. It's got the adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning system. It's just like new inside and out. This was a local trade from a good customer of mine that likes to trade. It's like brand new, only 4,500 miles. Got clean Carfax. I've certified it for up to 100,000 mile warranty. You can upgrade that to a bumper-to-bumper warranty for not too much money. And it does come with the remainder of the factory warranty. We've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This one's even got power seats, lumbar support. Got traction control, automatic high beam, got your all-weather floor mats. It's got the push start, you just put your foot on the brake. So right at 4,575 or 83. Just like new. Got the leather wrap steering wheel. There's all your audio control. There's your collision avoidance system here, lane departure, and adaptive cruise. Got your outside temperature, trip computer, all the goodies. It's got Apple CarPlay. Got it hooked up to my phone, and it basically puts all the apps that's on my phone, and most of them that are compatible with the vehicle. What I like about it is this. I mean, it's a Google Map on your phone. I mean, on your vehicle. It beats any factory navigation system. It's always up to date, a lot more details. You can do also the Apple Map. Get your backup camera. Got mini audio source, AM, FM, XM satellite. My phone got Bluetooth. Very nice. Got your climate control, push start, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. It's got the wireless phone charger. Well, it's plugged up now, so and that's how you turn it on. Got power sliding rear glass. Got an outlet. 6-speed automatic transmission. Got your auto dimming rearview mirror, compass. It's got the crawl mode. There's some major off-road feature. You'll mess with the traction control. And differential lock to give you the best traction possible at slow speed. And this is how you dial the speed in. Some real off-road capability. You can look at it on YouTube. Got both keys, owner's manual, sticker. Just like new. They've done a good job on the lift kit. It handles really well. It stays straight, no vibration, no shaking. The wheels don't rub. Just a nice setup. That paint's pretty sweet. Got your back seat, got your sliding row glass. Let me see here. These, got the wrong hand. Get some storage back here. Got a nice clean frame, no rust, no mud. This was adult driven. There we go. That opens up too. I believe the jack is underneath there. It's got the reliable, looks like it's heavy, 3.5 liter V6. It's probably one of the most reliable engine on the road. I don't recall ever having to work on these, just servicing, that's it. Nice and clean, still got the full factory warranty. This is the #1 truck on the market as far as resale value and reliability. Doesn't get any better than this. If you're looking for a sharp truck in light new condition at an affordable price, this is your ticket. To see if this Tacoma is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.